Hi everyone, today we are going to see how we can use the Data Visa Access Proxy to extend Amazon Cognito Login and MFA for a legacy application on-prem or in the cloud. Now let's begin. First of all, let's take a look at how it looks to end users after integrating with Data Visa. When the user visits the application, here it is jde.datavisa.net. If the user is not pre-authenticated by Data Visa Access Proxy, it will redirect to the Amazon Cognito login page. Here Amazon Cognito prompts the user to enter their ID credentials, and finish the MFA. Once after successful authentication, the user will be continued to the application. As you can see, Data Visa Access Proxy simplifies the process of enabling Amazon Cognito Login and MFA for applications without coding required. In this part, we are going to see how easily it can finish the all configuration in a few minutes. In the beginning, I will create a new deployment called Data Visa Amazon Cognito Demo and create a new application called JDE. Couple of things we should point out here: the application URL is the entry point user will need to type into the browser, and the listen port number is the port our access proxy will listen on. And the upstream address is the internal address of the protected application. This step is to configure a new Amazon Cognito IDP. I will name it as Cognito for JDE. Choose the protocol OIDC and select the identity provider as Cognito. Then we will input the following values, including Cognito domain, client ID, client secret and issuer. We can get all these values from the AWS portal. To start Data Visa Access Proxy, just copy the two generated command lines and switch to your server to run them. The first is to download Data Visa software image, and the second is to run Data Visa Proxy. After running two simple command lines, you will find that the Data Visa Access Proxy is already up and running. So far, we have finished the configuration part. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in it or have any questions, please feel free to contact us.